Ayona boubu na masua ya maiyamua.
And now, this song makes me very emotional. This song is a very deep song, and this song was done by Franklin Boukaka. This song shakes me to the core because it talks about the things that were done to Africans by the colonialists, that they came to Africa and they did very many bad things to us. They turned us into slaves, they killed us, they raped our mothers and our sisters, they called us names. Franklin Boukaka was a musician, but at the same time, he was also involved in the fight for independence. He may not have taken the arms, he may not have gone to the bush, but he used his talent, he used music to communicate messages about freedom. He did that song, Le Bougeron. Ahe, Africa, hey Africa. So that is a song. And he had a very serious backup of Manu Dibango. Then he did this song, and this song is very emotional. The song is called Ata Ozali, even if you are. And he lists the number of things you might think you are, yet you are not. Because somebody else has come and done bad things to you. You might not be that person you think you are. It's a very emotional song. I want to try and give you the English translation of the song, Ata Ozali, by Franklin Boukaka, and he was featuring Manu Dibango. May both of them have their souls rest in eternal power, in eternal peace, because they left a masterclass for us to enjoy, for us to celebrate. Wow. And Frank Boukaka was so talented. He was a talented songwriter and singer. Put together some very good songs. And if you listen to all his songs, they're all talking about liberation. Whether he was asking why we got independence but it was not helping us, or whether he was asking why the colonialists were doing bad things to us. That's what Boukaka was all about. And he was assassinated because of speaking truth to power, because of speaking truth, because of questioning things that leaders were doing. We had these guys of independence, but really, did we get independent? It was only for a very few people. And Boukaka pointed that out to the powers that be, and they thought that he was too much. So they killed him. They assassinated him. But certainly, the messages that he left behind is here to stay. And so, we are only here many years later to reflect, to think about the things that Boukaka told us in his music. Music that was very, very reflective of the goings on at that time in society. Ata Ozali. Remember, if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Mwalimu Chris Care on all platforms, YouTube, Facebook, on TikTok, on X, because I like to take such songs and break them down for you to understand what it is that the artist was saying. And like we keep on saying, that artists are just mirrors of the society. They tell us things that happen to us. And sometimes they do that very poetically. We may not get to know exactly what they're saying, but they talk to us. They reflect who we are as a society. Ata ozali vili, even if you are Vili. So this, I believe, is a tribe in Congo. Ata Mongala, even if you are a Mongala, or even if you speak Lingala for that matter. Ata Mokongo, even if you call yourself Mukongo. Ozali kaka na monokomoko, you only just have one mouth. Ozali sena maboko mibale, you only have two hands. Ozali kaka na makolo mibale, you only have two legs. Bamema koko na yo na boumbu. They took away your grandfather to slavery. Namasua ya mai ya mungwa, that he traveled through a boat that or through a ship that used salty water to mean that used the sea, that they were taken to very far places through sea transport. Bambulumbulu bakanga tata nayo, and the same bad guys arrested your father. Bamemaye na bongo osea, so they took him to the ocean. Basala Soni na mama nayo, they did terrible things to your mother. So Soni is just shameful. So they did shameful things to your mother. Babeta fimbo na ndeko nayo, they killed your brother. Bafingakio makako, and they called you makako. Makako is actually a monkey, so they called you a monkey. Kofinga just means to abuse, so they abused you that you're a monkey. Listen to that piano, wow. It's a very, very sad song, Oyebi kosala bwatu kasi masuate. You only know how to make a boat, but not how to make ship. Oyebi kosala nanu pepote. You don't know how to manufacture an airplane or an aeroplane. Oebi kokende nainu na sanza te. You do not even know how to travel to the moon, how to go to the moon. Namboka okotambola makolo ngulu. And even in your own country, you still walk bare feet. Nandako ozali nainu na mwenda te. Even in your own house, you still don't have electricity. Soki nkoi akoti lopango nayo. If a lion gets into your house, loba vini loba lingala, speak whatever language you want to speak. Loba Kikongo, even speak Kikongo. Nkoi akoyoka monoko yangote. The lion will not hear your language. You will not hear that voice, that language that you will be speaking, you will be using. Nkoi akoyokela yo mawate. So the lion will not feel pity for you. What will he do instead? Nkoi akolia se yo. The lion will just eat you. Soki mopaya abeti bunduki. If a visitor shoots from his gun, moko akokufa mosusu akozoka. Someone will die and another one will get hurt. Moko akokufa, moko akozoka. So this one that might actually die, another one will get hurt. Okomona motane ya makila na bino. All that you'll see is the red color of your blood. Solo zoba oyo alingiko bunda nandeko. So truly, it is only the foolish person that likes to fight his brother. Tango mkoi akoti lopango. At that time, when a lion has got into the house, so it's only a fool that will fight his brother, and yet there's a lion already in the house. Ata ozali vili, so even if you are vili, so this is a sub-tribe, I believe. Ata mongala, even if you are a mongala. Ata mokongo, even if you are a mkongo. Ata ozali vili, so says the same thing if you come from that tribe or the other. Ata mongala, even if you are Mongala meaning that you speak Lingala language. Ata Mokongo, even if you are a Mokongo. Ozali kaka mwana Kongo. You are Congolese. So it doesn't matter what tribe you come from, you are Congolese. Ozali kaka mwana Kongo, you are Congolese.
ozali kaka mwana Congo.
Ozali kaka mwana Congo. You are Congolese, so it doesn't matter what tribe you speak. It doesn't matter what sub-tribe you come from. You are Congolese. And like Boukaka is simply saying that there's a bigger enemy for all of us to fight. Excuse me. There's a bigger enemy for all of us to fight. If that enemy, and so he uses analogy, he compares that enemy to a lion. So if a lion comes to your hood, to your house, you will only be foolish to be fighting your brother, your sister, your siblings. There's a bigger problem. There's a much more urgent need to kill the lion first before anything else can happen. This is how Franklin Boukaka contributed towards the fight for independence. And even when he got independence, he still really wanted people to enjoy that independence.